depensa ng ASP kontra Converge. Nakita mo, alam mo sino lang ang i-score. 4 pa rin ata ito. Oo, 4 pa rin. Si Aran na nag-itong second quarter. So, their defense is really yung bitar. Hindi naman ng takpan. Pero yun ang utak na naman to. Pressure mo. Ronde. Hingin again. Stop the foul. Good spot. Susanay Lamit ng ball. Great chance of taking high percentage shot. Even though if you got 3-point attack. J.R. De Los Santos delivers just the 4th 3-point basket para dito sa Converge. That's not hot back. That's a good one. De Los Santos will follow you, but keeps on isang fake sabay atake sa kaliwa. Yun ay tuturo nila ngayon dito kay De Los Santos. The numbers are ready para may stay ready. When you do it in practice, masang na yung nakakaban mo na I'm not going to bite into this, I'm going to stay strong on this side. 12 puntos para dito kay Napatan.